Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other based website. This website is Ethereum website. You can earn much more Ethereum from this website, and this website 100% pay you. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click bell notification. Okay, and right now this is the website. Link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, and this is the all payment receiving from this website, and this much Ethereum this website pay already. This all is new websites. Okay, and you can click sign up. You can put your email, password, your username, gender, and you choose your country. Just any country you're from, just put your Ethereum address and click register. You can register yourself and you can click login. Okay, and then right now I log in myself. I show you how you can earn. Okay, this is my login, and I earn 2 BTC right now. My account balance is 2 BTC, and you can earn from the Faucet. This is the Faucet. You can just fill this capture and you can earn from this. Okay, just type in the word and click roll, and now you can see I earned this much. Okay, 10 Satoshi. This one pay me, and they pay you in your account. You can withdraw to any faucet you want. Okay, this much is my 3 referral link. I used 3 referral link. This much claim I asked. Total claim BTC is this much. Account balance is right now this much. I invest my BTC to another way. Okay, you can click withdraw. You can withdraw your funds in Faucetpay, and you can choose Faucetpay and you can withdraw. Okay, and now you can go to earn. You can watch BTC hats. Click BTC hats. Watch any hats. You can watch 5 seconds long, and right now this is every ads pay you, BTC ads pay you 4 Satoshi every 5 seconds. Okay, watch this whole BTC hats, or you can go to click short links. You can watch short links and you can earn much more from this short links too. Okay, this much BTC you can earn, and you can complete offers. Any offer you want, just click and complete offer, pay you much more. And you can refer your friends. You can copy your referral link and paste it to your friends, and you can earn much more from your referral link too. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link in description, and please subscribe to my channel. Today I uploading 10 videos, and be ensure you watch all the 10. Right now I uploading 3, and another 2 in uploading. It's 4 uploading for right now. It is the final one is 63%, and I upload 5 other. And please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe.